Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of the interior trim and restoration. On today's video, we're going to be installing the new paint and trim pieces. As well, I have a surprise at the end of the video of a new car part that just came in not too long ago. But before we get started on this video today, be sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing as well. So another thing I didn't mention in the other videos, or this video as well, I decided I'm going to remove this inner lining or top lining right here, as well as the mirrors, the visors up here, as well as the mirror, because I decided this has to go as well. I'm not too big a fan of tan. Alright, so as you guys see, that I got all the interior trim pieces painted and ready to be installed. But first, I'm going to go ahead and move this outside so it'll be ready to be installed. Alright guys, I got all the interior trim outside ready to be put inside the Datsun. I have all the bolts right here after I removed all the interior trim pieces. Now with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start on where the back side windows are, and I'm going to move my way up to the front. Side panel on the driver's side is finally up. I'm going to go ahead and start on the upper panel here. I already have this panel already, so I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. Okay guys, we're at the driver's side. We're going to go ahead and get started on this whole panel here. So first we're going to start with this panel and work our way up through the steering wheel. So let's go ahead and get started with this panel right here. just a little test here, make sure everything fits perfectly. And no scratches, no rubbing issues, so we are good. Alright, so I mentioned this in the beginning of the video that I wanted to change the roof trim on the Datsun. Now if we come over here actually. So I mentioned that I wanted to take all this out, that I want to remove all the tan pieces, including these ones. I don't think I will be painting this one today only because it is a light cover and I'm still looking for one, so I'll replace that later in the year. However, for this window visor and the mirror, I'll probably start painting them as well. But as you can see on the mirror on the outside, it's like crumbling off. It's like barely holding on together. I will be replacing that, however, but I'm gonna go ahead and start removing this whole roof part right here, and I'm gonna prep it for paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some tools and I'm gonna get started. Oh, and another thing too, I actually messed up in painting one of the interior trim pieces. As you can see on the driver's side, this is not completely painted. So I'm gonna see if I can try to take this metal frame off so I won't get any paint on here, and just paint this whole outside just so I can match up with this trim piece and this trim piece. So nothing pretty new here. The only difference is I'm gonna be using some tape just to tape off this frame so it doesn't get paint on it. No difference in paint, I'm just using the same high heat Rust-Oleum black finish. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and spray with clear coat and then move on to the interior trim. Unfortunately, I ran into a bit of trouble when removing all these interior trim pieces such as the light and the handlebars. I tried to pry the whole trim ceiling off. I wasn't able to because it's like stuck on there. Like, I don't know if it's because just these two light bulbs have to come off first, but I tried prying it off, but I'm afraid that might break them, so I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that there. But that doesn't mean I'm not gonna stop painting. I'm gonna be trying a different method. I'm gonna see if I can cover up this windshield back here as well as the back window seats right here. I'm not too worried about the trunk because it's already black and the trunk's already open. So I'm probably just gonna mask the windows, the front and the side. I'll leave that window down for now, and I'm gonna see if I can try to spray paint this inside. I wouldn't really recommend it, or I don't say it's gonna be like the best job ever. This is just for DIY purposes and see like how well it turns out. Because honestly, with the interior trim that I painted so far, I'm pretty happy to how it came out. I'm not too disappointed. Obviously, like some parts will need to be replaced. I'm still researching to see if I can find some good parts for a good deal. So I'm just waiting on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping this for paint. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be using for the windshield and the back windows is just the simple trash bag method. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this in half just because I'm going for the windshield. Hopefully I'll have some spare pieces for the back windows here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half, and I'm going to tape it up right in place here. Alright you guys, the first coat on the roof is done. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry for 15 minutes. As for painting this, I noticed like since I only have just a regular mask that just covers my mouth, I didn't find my respirator, and I wouldn't recommend using just that mask. I would use the respirator mask with the filters and everything, only because this is such a tight space and the paint is really strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait for a while until this dries up so I can begin the second coat. So hopefully my mask will come out. If not, then I'm just gonna go ahead and keep spraying. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I just finished applying the third coat for the clear coat for the top roof trim. As you can see, like it's still pretty wet from all the clear coat, but I'm just gonna let this cure for a couple of minutes or a couple of hours, and then we'll come back to see how it goes. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all the trim pieces I took off with to hold everything up, including the light, the mirror, and the sun visor as well. And then after that, stay tuned on the video because I did mention before there is a surprise at the end, so be sure to stay tuned for that. So I'll see you guys then. Finally dried up. I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the trash bag and as well putting all the screws back together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. Of the trim has been finally painted and installed. It looks really good. It's so much better that came out that worked better than I expected. Obviously, like there are parts I need to replace and some that are just missing, like up here, like with the sun visor, but I will save those for another video. I will be replacing some of the parts in the future or installing new parts in future videos as well. So that's going to complete all the interior trim and installing for today. Now, like I said before, I have surprised you guys at the end, so let me go share what that is. Okay, if you guys stayed at the end of the video, I mentioned before, again, that I have a surprise at the end. I've been waiting specifically almost 3 months for this specific part to come in, so I'm really stoked to show you guys and for the future videos. Alright, so now these parts inside here are specifically made for the Datsun 280ZX, not the Z's. It all starts with, I believe, 1980 through 1983. So these are meant for the Datsun 280ZX only. So let me show you what I got. It's got hyper coils, aka coil conversion kit. Now these are specifically made for the front suspension of the Datsun 280ZX. Obviously I have my coil and my adjustability right here. For these specific parts, it's called coil conversion for a reason. You can't exactly fit in any type A OEM fit for the front suspension because the whole strut casing, the shock, and the spring are whole one piece. So you have to do a little bit of modifications. For this coil conversion kit, you will need, and I already went ahead and ordered a new performance shock. So I will be explaining more in the future video of how to install all the coil conversion kit, but I'm very excited to get this started and see how it turns out for the Datsun. So this is the Datsun 280ZX rear coilovers. It is very, very well made, and it's a very, very high performance suspension or aftermarket suspension. I'm very, very stoked to install this hopefully soon. Like, as of right now, like, COVID-19 is affecting a lot of businesses, so, and I'm gonna have to try to find like just any company that can help me out. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I really appreciate you guys for watching, and if you guys are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Be sure to hit that like button. Let me know if any of these methods are useful in painting the interior trim of the Datsun. I'm very stoked for the next project with the whole coil conversion kit and the rear coilovers. I'm very, very excited to get that started as soon as possible, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.